Good morning. This lesson is for my Integrated 1 class, but before I get started, I want to say I hope that everyone's doing all right out there. I'm not sure how I'm going to title this, but I'll tell it how I title the title. But what I am sure of are 2 goals for today. And our first goal is going to be to review perimeter and understand its measurement. And our second goal is going to be to work through a perimeter problem. So this is going to be a pretty short lesson. Now I also left the 6 steps to solve on the board because when we're working through a perimeter problem, we can fall back and rely on these 6 steps. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump into our first goal. And in movies, you will hear the phrase, secure the perimeter, which means don't let anyone, let me fix this, don't let anyone through the fence that is protecting the base, the fort, your house, etc. We can think of the perimeter as a fence that surrounds a shape. If we were in charge of building a fence, which is a perimeter, if we were in charge of building this, we would want to know how long the fence would need to be to surround our property. So perimeter's measurement is the length around the shape. So perimeter, the measurement for perimeter is length around the shape. I'm going to go ahead and check this off. Right. So perimeter is length. It's a length measurement. I don't have a very specific example. This is just a very simple generic example that is going to really reinforce what perimeter means, which is the length around the shape. For this problem, I know that the perimeter, or the length around the shape, is 30. I'm being asked to find the value of x and then each side length. So I know that the length around the fence altogether must add up to 30. So that means that this length, which I'm calling x, plus this length, which I'm calling x plus 4, plus this length that I'm calling x plus 2, each of these lengths go around the shape and act as a fence, and that makes it a perimeter. So I know that each of these, all 3 of these lengths add up to 30. Now I can get into my 6 steps to solve, and again, this is a guide to help us work our way through problems. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Let me make sure I'm on this before I have to erase and start over again. Oh, I'm on there. Good. Okay, good. Good. Okay, so step 1, do I have fractions that I need to eliminate? No, I do not. Step 2, do I have parentheses so I can distribute in this? No, I do not. Step 3, are there like terms on each side of the equal sign that I can combine? And actually I can. I have 3 x's that I can put together. X, x, and x. That means I have 3 x's. And I also have a 4 and a 2 that I can put together, so I'll combine those terms. So I have 3x plus 6, learn how to add, plus 6, and that's equal to 30. So I was able to combine like terms. Step 4, is it possible to get all variables to one side of the equal sign? No, because they're all on one side of the equal sign. Step 5, can I add or subtract away a number on the variable side of the equal sign? That means that there's a plus or minus between a number and a variable. I have this situation, so I'm going to subtract 6 to both sides. So now my equation is going to become 3x is equal to 24. I'm down to my last step. Is there a number that's attached to the variable that I can divide away? And the answer is yes. I can divide away a 3 to both sides. So that means that my value of x is going to be 3 goes into 24 8 times. So I know that my value of x is 8. I found that. I did the first part. That part is done. Now I need to find each side length. Well, this side length is really easy to find. It's literally just 8. This side length is 8 because x is 8. It's 8 plus 4, so that side length is going to be 12. And this side length, which is 8 plus 2, that's going to get me to 10. And 10 and 8 is 18, and add 12 more, that gets me to 30, and that matches the length around my shape. So again, perimeter is length around the shape, and we add the lengths together when we set up the equation to find those lengths. So this was a quick little video on reviewing perimeter, understanding its measurement, and working through a perimeter problem. So I'm going to go ahead and end this here. Again, I hope everyone is doing all right out there. Have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.